everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a maple leaf. Let's start. First, draw a wiggly line, like that. And then a line, and then another copy. And now, a thing like that. Now a line like this. And another line like this. And then a line like this. And then a line like this. We have a lot of wormy lines in this drawing. And some lines. And now two lines again. Lines on each line. Like this one, this one, this one, this one, like this one. A wiggly line. I'm done with that part. And now a line like this. And then a wiggly line. And then a line like this. And up. And then a swarm line like this. And then another one like this. And over like this. We're done. The leaf looks like it's falling. Now it's time to color. Since fall is coming, we'll make it really colorful. Red, orange, green. Well, green is when it's summer, but green, my dad said it's when it's like it's still there and it's almost getting gone. If you eat maple syrup, I know a fact about a maple tree. Maple syrup is made from a maple tree or a maple leaf. Isn't that cool? Because its name is Maple. That's funny too. Now we're almost done coloring. I like going outside in fall and taking pictures of leaves. There will be pretty ones and not pretty ones too, because I can look at them. Have you guys looked at Canada's flag? It has the maple leaf. What we drew. Isn't that cool? I'm talking about Canada because I have 3 cousins in Canada. One One's name is Bunu, the other is Seed, and the other is Supnima. Well, I feel like we would forget the leaf's name, so I could write it. There. Bye.